Well, Miss Hiccup decided to come home for lunch or brunch or whatever you'd like to call it. And there's a little, oh yeah, there's Hiccup. And that little feller out there is just dying for some yummies. So we're gonna toss him a, see if you can see this. And there's another little feller over there waiting. Oh, there's another one. So there's 3. And of course Hiccup. Hi, Hick. Yeah. Oh, found the pistachios, huh? Hiccup's a good girl. Her is. Yep, so we got 5 out there now. They are all incredibly spoiled. They know where to come for food. Especially Hiccup. She gets preferential treatment. She seems to be healing up pretty well. Her bald patches are all filled in. She's got a little spot right down here. Looks like is pretty recent. Well, not real recent. She's got some hair growth there. But all this little stuff there is all new hair. This spot right here is new hair. Patch on the top of her head is new hair. Nope, she doesn't like it when I do that. Come on, Kick. There you go. Come on back up. So this is pretty much daily life here. Oh, there's another one over there by that tree at the base of it. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus Hiccup. I usually have a couple of chipmunks running around down here too, but I don't see any of them roaming about. You can usually hear them before you can see them. They're quite nosy. Or noisy. Not nosy. Well, they're nosy too. But anyway, this is just a little part of my day.